Hello everybody, this is George with Melnix Automotive. In this video I would like to show you how to fix a rattling noise on a Honda J Series engine. It doesn't matter if it's Honda Odyssey, Ridgeline, Pilot, Acura MDX, TLX, you name it. As long as you have 3.5 liter, even 3.2 liter J Series engine, this is the problem that you might have. So I already found the problem. I knew where the problem was. It's just I want to show you in this video exactly what to do. Since I already have everything disassembled, I didn't have time to do the video. As a matter of fact, there is a video that I have how to replace a timing belt, but in this case I'm going to take you to the side. I'm going to put lights on. Take a look at that hydraulic. You see that the hydraulic timing tensioner right there? You see that it's wet. You can see it's moist. Okay, so I'm gonna have somebody start the car right now, and you'll see that when the car is started, it kind of jiggles back and forth, and it loosens up the pulley. And once it loosens that up, it makes the rattling noise. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing started. Did you hear the noise? Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and replace hydraulic timing belt tensioner, and then we'll see if the noise is still there. Alright, so check this out. You can see how moist it is, and the fluid is leaking, so the seal is shot on this thing. So I went ahead and replaced it with another one. Ideally, you should go ahead and replace the whole entire kit, the whole timing component kit. But in this case, the only thing I end up doing, because the car has 67,000. So what I did, I just replaced with a new hydraulic, with the timing hydraulic tensioner. So listen to the difference. I'm gonna start the engine up and listen to the difference, how different the engine sounds. All right, that's a new part, and I have my dead accelerating a little bit. You can hear there's no more noise. So that's it for this video. This was George with Melnix Automotive. If you have a rattling engine on a 3.5 or 3.2 J Series engine, Honda or Acura, that would be the fix. Ciao.